Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply a perspective warp to images and photos in Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Navigate to your design or document on Affinity and then position your image on the canvas. I will go with this example image here. After that, guys, switch from the Vector Studio in the top left to the Pixel Studio. You may also use the shortcut F3 for that. And then guys, what you want to do is right click into the move tool and switch from the move tool to the perspective tool below. Now you will see that box here opening up. What you want to do, guys, is use these four corners or handles of the image to apply the perspective warping. Left click into it, hold your left mouse and move your mouse to apply the perspective warping. You can do that with any of these corners. And that's how you do it, guys. Here in that box, what you want to do is, for example, reset to the previous settings, or you may choose a different mode here, for example, and also apply a grid, for example, for orientation. If you're content with the result, close that window here. And as you can see, guys, that's how you apply a perspective warp to images on Affinity. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.